Yeah, so this is our second kitchen with Kitchen Warehouse. The first one was back in 2012. So the reason why we used them again was because they were excellent the first time round. But we think we made a few mistakes in our choices the first time, and so I ended up revamping the kitchen, but we didn't really need to change any of the cabinets because they were very, very good quality to start with. So what was more important was the doors. And we just felt we needed some advice, and Simon was very helpful all them years ago, and we thought we'd give him another chance to price up doing the doors. And we knew the colours that we wanted, but we decided that
we wanted something a bit more in keeping with the barn. The one we had before was quite a modern style, which was nice, but it's really sort of, I suppose, transformed the kitchen, hasn't it, really, for us? Definitely more of a barn kitchen than a high gloss kitchen, so yeah, love it.
Well, obviously, fortunately, we were going on the same carcasses that we had 12 years ago. So that was one of the reasons why we thought, well, we should use them against the same company, because the doors are going to be the same measurements. But it was quite easy, and you know, as everyone's aware, there's lots of doors out there, lots of different styles of doors, lots of materials. We wanted wood, painted wood, that was imperative. But we didn't quite know the style that we wanted. So the nice thing is that we could go along and have a look in the showroom and choose the styles out of all the others, and Simon held them up again, so we brought a couple of doors home to match the colours up. So it was quite easy really for us, because we had the assistance of the Kitchen Warehouse to guide us, if you like, on what would work and what wouldn't work, and bearing in mind that you guys know what works, we don't, you know, so it's always difficult to make, like I did the first, since I think I made the decision on the first kitchen, which was the wrong one, went for a modern one rather than a traditional one. So I left a bit more of it to Dee this time and Simon.
For me, the fact that my sink is now here and I can look out into the garden. Previously, the sink was this side, and you were just looking at the oven. So it's really, and I think it's opened it up. The fact that it's so light and bright, it's just a pleasure to be in. It really is. Everything's quality as well. The handles, the work surfaces, everything just is quality. It's lovely. It's a pleasure to be in.
Everything was there on time, and it was all in the boxes. There was nothing missing, which is the frustration when you're doing a job like this, and then your fitter comes and he says, well, you're this short, you're that short, and you're making a list of something you don't really know what you're asking for. So I've got to say, once again, the guys, it all came as expected. Everything in the right place. The extra cabinets that we bought were all made up. So with the doors on, I mean, it was really so simple. Adding the new ones to the old ones, it just made life easy for us.